Hi, I'm Brittany WTI, and this is proof that powerful things can come in small packages.
And that is the case with this LED light face massager tool. Before, my skin had a lot of breakouts, redness, just fatigue, and I just loved how small, compact, and easy it was to take this out of any drawer. It comes with a charger and a cleaning rag. So you have the bottom where you can connect the charger when you are needing to get it reboot. It has 3 sets, blue, cool, green, and warm, and red being also much warmer. Just be sure to put on any lotion or face oil before, and make sure you go up in an upward motion. What I personally like to go through each of the light cycles. It combines all of the benefits of light, massaging, warmth, while using the gua sha method. You could then use the cloth to wipe it off, close it up, and put it in that handy dandy bag along with the cord, and put it into any drawer that you use for in your vanity or in your bathroom. I really noticed a huge difference just using it for a few days. Less breakouts, less redness, much firmer skin. It's even great for on the go. That's what I love about it. You can take it when you travel. You can do it in your hotel, at home before you go to bed, or in the morning when you wake up and you've just taken a shower and you're nice and clean.
I really appreciated how this helped me take good care of my skin, even though I live a busy schedule. I highly recommend it. Go check it out. But that's just my point of view.